Hello friends, welcome to SAP ABAP certification course presented by SAP Training House. In this session we intend to speak something about SAP and know about the business solutions which it provides. Okay, so before you get into the details of ABAP, you first need to know what SAP does, who are the customers of SAP, things like these. Okay, so what does SAP do? So as you all know that the customers of SAP are all the companies spread all across the world, and SAP provides business solutions to run various business processes carried out by these companies. Some examples of business processes can be procuring raw materials, selling finished goods to its customers, making payments to its vendors, distributing paychecks to its employees, etc. So these kind of business processes are carried out at every company, and SAP provides business solutions to cater to these business processes. Okay, so SAP provides cross-industry flavors as well as industry-specific flavors of the business solutions which it has. Now what is meant by cross-industry and industry-specific? Okay. Cross-industry flavors of business solutions which SAP provides cater to different industry segments. So the generic part, or the part which is common in the same business process across various industries, is covered under the cross-industry flavor. Apart from these, in every industry segment, companies tend to follow the same business process in different manners. For example, the sales and distribution business process of an oil industry is different from a manufacturing industry, and such industry specific needs are catered by industry specific flavors of SAP business solutions. Okay, then the next task which SAP has to cater to is the needs, different levels of needs of the companies in the same industry segment. Okay, so what I mean by this is that the same business process in different companies of the same industry segment are carried out differently. The basic reason behind this thing is the level of complexity. Okay, so a small size industry will have much simpler business process in comparison to a large scale industry. Okay, so depending on the size of the company, the complexity of the business process varies, and SAP has to cater to all sizes of companies. So it has to maintain the complexity of its business solutions in such a way that it doesn't become over complex for small scale industries, as well as it should have the flexibility to accommodate the needs of large scale industries. And as a business and as an application developer, this onus lies with us. Okay, now after talking about what SAP does, we need to know about some of the most popular business solutions which SAP provides. Okay, some of these are financial accounting, controlling, sales and distribution, production planning, quality management, warehouse management, material management, supplier relationship management, customer relationship management, supply chain management, and there are many other business solutions also which we have not covered in this particular slide. Okay, now we'll talk about each of these business solutions of SAP a little, so that you get an idea about what do each of these business solutions do. For example, let's begin with financial accounting. So this application deals with the accounting needs of the company. So every company has to abide by the law of the land where it operates. Okay, for example, it needs to record all the financial transactions which it carries out as per the norms of the company, as per the norms of the country. Okay, so there are different legal requirements which each country imposes on the companies which operate in its area. Okay, so every company have to present uh, financial statements such as balance sheet, income statement, etc. in the country specific manner. Okay, and this need is catered by financial accounting. Apart from publishing the financial statements in order to suffice the needs of the law of the land, the financial transactions also needs to be analyzed by the management of the company in order to derive business decisions. Okay, for example, what is the cash level of the company in order to make a decision whether the company needs to borrow money from the market or it needs to invest the surplus money which it has in the market. Okay, then things like finding out the profitability of a particular product by analyzing the cost being incurred by the product in the manufacturing of the product, things like these. So this kind of analysis and control which is needed by the management of the company is achieved by the controlling application. Okay, then next is sales and distribution. So it's a very common business process across all industry segments, across all companies. Every company has to sell its finished goods or services to its customers. Okay, and this process of selling the finished goods and distributing them is taken care of by sales and distribution application. Now the finished goods or services needs to be produced also, and their production needs to be planned, okay, in order to make the maximum use of company's resources. Okay, and this particular task is achieved by the production planning application. Then in order to maintain the quality of the produced goods or services, we have quality management application. Then we have warehouse management. This particular application is basically related to managing the warehouses where the raw materials needed for the production are managed. Okay. Then we have material management application dealing with the procurement of raw materials which are needed for the production. Okay, then we have supply relationship management, which is again similar to material management business process itself. Okay, and deals with the procurement, but it has more enhanced features in comparison to material management. Okay, similar to sales and distribution application, we have customer relationship management also, which is more customer facing, and it deals with managing the customers, things like taking orders from the customers, their tracking, etc. Okay, and finally we have supply chain management, this which basically deals with the entire supply chain starting from raw materials to the delivery of finished goods. Okay, so this is what each of these business applications do in totality. Okay, and having known these, we now have enough knowledge, okay, that what kind of task does SAP do, okay, and what does the applications built by SAP cater to the market. Okay, so this is all we wanted to cover in this particular slide, in this particular session, and hope to see you in the next session where we discuss about the technological platform of SAP and try to give you an overview about SAP NetWeaver. Thank you for now.